Welcome back to Tram Crazy! In this video, I'll be telling you all about my new Basic Python course and what I will cover in each episode, along with how the course will work. Basic Python will be an 11-part series, including this video, and it will teach you all about the most important concepts of Python, aside from object-oriented programming, which I might cover in a later series. In each episode, I'll take you through the concepts you'll need, and then I'll set you a challenge using your new skills. I'll also post a solution video, unlisted but linked in the description, so that if you're really stuck, you can work through that. I'm hoping you'll have a good go first though. Hopefully, some of you will share your solutions with me in the comments. I do read all of them. So, why did I choose to make a Python tutorial series and not a Java, JavaScript, C++, C#, PHP, you get the idea. Well, first, the Popularity of Programming Languages Index, PYPL, ranks Python as the language people most frequently search for tutorials in, by far. I felt that adding another tutorial series to the mix, featuring challenges to test your skills, could be useful. Although JavaScript is the most widely used language, according to the /data State of the Developer Nation report, Python comes in second. So, why am I not teaching JavaScript? I have a confession to make. I am far more confident in Python than in JavaScript. I know some, but I'm still learning. However, I've been using Python for much longer and I feel more confident to teach it. Also, Python, in my opinion, is easier to write code in and is easier to learn. It has a less complex syntax than JavaScript. Okay, well, that might just be me. And can be used in more applications. Well, maybe not. Node is catching up. Anyway, Python is a great first language to code in, and that's why I'm teaching it. It can be used on the web, in data science, in AI, and in embedded applications, and it's not very difficult. So, what will we be learning? In part 2 of this series, we will get set up to code in Python on Windows or Linux. Sorry, I don't have a Mac to demonstrate on. Mac users, you'll have to find your own tutorial. In part 3, we will have a look at printing to the screen and learn some basic Python syntax. That's how the language is structured. In part 4, we'll look at variables and basic arithmetic. In part 5, we'll look at user input and how to work with strings in a more advanced capacity. In part 6, we'll cover conditional statements. In part 7, you'll learn how to use loops to repeat code efficiently. In part 8, you'll find out how to split your code up effectively into functions. In part 9, we'll make use of other people's code in our quest to find out more about importing libraries. In part 10, we'll work with lists and dictionaries as ways to store data. And in part 11, I'll set you a final challenge and summarise everything we've learnt. In the future, I might make another Python series, and I also have other language tutorials planned. Let me know what you'd like to see. The Python videos won't necessarily all be in a row. I might intersperse them with other content to add variety. My upload schedule should eventually be about 1 video per week once I have my workflow ironed out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when we start the series.